is a friend, and she needed Daddy's help.
So, Martine, what do you make?
It's a film. Peter is helping me with the sound.
Gonna work out?
Yeah, she's really talented. I think she's really sweet, too.
I had a dream last night. It was about you. Am I allowed to tell you about it?
I walked over, started to touch you, and then more. You were just ignoring me.
How do you know when you found the right guy?
I don't know that you do know. I think you're just ready, and you pick one.
Tell me when you're here now. I find you incredibly charming and intelligent and beautiful.
You want to talk about your little crush on our house guest?
What are you talking about?
I understand she's attractive. I'm attracted to her. Just don't embarrass me.
Sometimes there's a person who you know looks right.
Marriage is complicated.
I want to be alone with you.
And when they walk, that walk makes ladies turn to their window and admire.
This has gone too far.
You betrayed me.
Dude, you're married! I see you with the accurate eyes of the sun. You will never have anything or anyone you want.